How's it growing? You got aphids in your garden again? It gets exhausting, right? What if I told you there's a tiny insect that could eliminate your aphid problem for you? In this video, we'll show you how the Aphidius Wasp...
A wasp?
No, it's not that type of wasp. We love this type of wasp in our garden. It's our secret weapon against aphids. So if you're looking for a way to control aphids without using harmful chemicals, the Aphidius Wasp just might be your new best friend. So how do you attract these tiny helpers to your garden?
About the herbs, man.
Alright, before we get into the herbs, show us the mummies.
Mummies? Oh yeah, the mummies.
These hollowed out shells used to be aphids.
Yeah, man, it's like a scene out of a horror movie where the wasp injects its eggs into the aphids and the larva hatches and starts eating its way.
Okay, stop. I think they get the idea. These are a great sign that the Aphidius Wasp is controlling the aphid population in the garden. But how do you make your garden so irresistible that this wasp will show up?
It's about the herbs, man.
All right, have you been smoking something? Yeah. Yes, the herbs that can help attract the Aphidius Wasp and other beneficial insects include dill, fennel, cilantro, yarrow. These herbs release volatile compounds that the Aphidius Wasp finds irresistible.
Like a moth to a flame and a kid to candy.
Are you done? But there's another component to all this that works with the herbs to attract these insects, and we'll get into that in the next video. And we'll talk about hoverflies, ladybugs, lacewings, and others, so you don't want to miss that. Plus,
diversity of insects is vital. So a diverse amount of insects create balance.
We'll share what Cynthia says regarding good bugs versus bad bugs that makes her head explode. It's a regenerative perspective that you don't want to miss. And when that video is ready, I'll have a link right up here. As for now, check out the episode about ladybugs and aphids that you'll see on the end screen of this video. You ready?
Live regeneratively and let's grow together.